Part 30. Assembling the roof panels. Using P6, the shorter ones on the right side. You start with the small ones first on the right side, then one larger one, which is P6B, on the left side. You have to leave a lip on the outside. I'll show you in a second. And then you work your way towards this direction, towards the doorway. I still had to maneuver some of the like push the beams to get some screws to line up, and I over tightened this. I forgot that I forgot that I'm just connecting panels to panels, so they're not as durable and strong as the beams. So I can always fix that and put a bigger screw. I also ran out of nuts, plastic washers, so I went and purchased some metal zinc washers instead. The remaining plastic ones I used on the outside, so if I ever need to make any changes, I can get to the outside easily. The middle will be somewhat difficult to get to. And I think a strategy I came up with for putting these panels on, put the shorter small one on and the longer one, both at the same time. But when I put the short one on, I make sure it's lined up, so I know it's in a good area. Then I place the longer one, and I go to the outside and put the screws in, because it was a little tricky for me to line it up. But I think it's actually easier if you connect the center beams to the panels first. So you could always push in the walls or pull out the walls, which I've been doing a little here and there. And let me show you the way the outside looks with the panels. So now you see there's a lip, which I did not realize was supposed to happen. I actually had the panels. There's a long width side. One side has a longer flap than the other side, and I was trying to I had the panel on the other side, and I was trying to force it to fit, and I was wondering why didn't anything line up. So then I realized the longer side actually goes over. I didn't know. I thought it was exactly lining up with the wall, but it's not the case. So you should have a lip like this. It's not easy to see in the diagram, so I hope this helps. See, there's a lip, and then you can see the screws I put in, and the plastic ones are closer to the outside, so I can change it out. This corner I had to manage a little bit, push it in a little, but it's coming along. So now I'll move on to part 31.